This Christmas slice will be a hit with everyone. This video is not sponsored. In a large microwave-safe bowl, add 2 180-gram blocks of caramel chocolate. This is optional, but you can add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to the chocolate while melting to give it some shine. Place the bowl in the microwave and stir every 20 seconds until melted. Open 1 packet of 180-gram Lifesaver Peelies. Peel each of the peelies apart and place into a bowl. Crush 4 packets of 23-gram mini Oreos and add them to the bowl with the peelies. Now the caramel chocolate has melted, add the peelies and Oreos to the chocolate. Next, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut and 3 cups of rice bubbles. Stir until combined. Line a 19 by 30 cm slice tin. Pour the Christmas slice mixture into the tin. Use a spatula to press the Christmas slice evenly in the tin. Smooth the slice using the back of a spoon. Place slice into the freezer for 15 minutes to set. After 15 minutes, remove from freezer and slice. Subscribe, like and comment below. Enjoy this Christmas slice.